Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. We've got some exciting news today about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's shaping up to be one of the most powerful and feature-packed smartphones Samsung has ever made. From upgraded cameras to advanced AI features, there's a lot to be hyped about. Let's get straight into it. Samsung might be bringing back a fan-favorite feature, variable aperture. Now, if you remember, Samsung first introduced this tech on the Galaxy S9 series, where the camera could switch between two aperture settings, f1.5 and f2.4, depending on the lighting. It really helped improve photo quality, especially in tough lighting conditions. But after the Galaxy S10, this feature quietly disappeared. Now, according to reliable leaker Ice Universe, Samsung is currently testing variable aperture again for the S26 Ultra's main camera. If it makes a comeback, the camera will be able to adapt to your surroundings and automatically adjust how much light it lets in. That means better photos whether you're in a dim room or outside in bright sunlight. Plus, it gives you control over blur effects and brightness levels using ISO settings. The question is, will Samsung stick with two aperture settings, or go for more advanced levels like Xiaomi did with its 14 Ultra? We'll have to wait and see. But that's just the beginning. Samsung is going big on camera improvements across the board. Rumors say that the S26 Ultra could feature 3 telephoto lenses, each with a 50-megapixel resolution. That's a huge upgrade for zoom quality. Other expected camera specs include a 200 megapixels main sensor, a 50 megapixels periscope lens that could go up to 200x zoom, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 3D to F sensor for sharper portrait effects, and a 50 megapixels front camera with upgraded Nightography 2.0. You'll also be able to shoot 8K video at 60 FPS, enjoy super steady mode for action shots, and use AI scene optimization for smart auto settings. And let's talk battery, because Samsung might be going all out here too. The S26 Ultra is rumored to come with a massive 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery. It's not just big, it's more efficient too. Charging speeds are getting a serious boost. You could see 120W wired fast charging that goes from 0 to 100% in less than 30 minutes. Wireless charging could reach up to 50W, and reverse charging might hit 15W. With AI-powered battery management, you can expect longer usage times even with heavy tasks. When it comes to performance, the S26 Ultra might be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Exynos 2500, depending on the region. You'll also get up to 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of storage to keep all your apps, photos, and videos in one place. AI will be a major theme this year. Samsung is reportedly packing in features like AI call summaries, smart replies, live captions, and even real-time translation. They're also working on AI-powered cooling tech to help the phone stay cool during intense use. Now if you're wondering about the S Pen, it's still here. Samsung has confirmed that the S Pen is staying with the Ultra models. A lot of users love using it for writing, sketching, and getting work done on the go. Samsung even said the S Pen is part of their core identity. This year's S Pen will be even better, with 1.5 milliseconds latency for smoother writing, improved pressure sensitivity, and AI-powered features like converting text to handwriting, sketch to image, and real-time translations. As for design and durability, Samsung is stepping things up with a premium titanium frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on the back. The phone will have a sleeker look with curved edges, thinner bezels, and will come in colors like Phantom Black, Titanium Gray, Emerald Green, and Burgundy Red. It's also rated IP68 for water and dust resistance. On the front, you're looking at a stunning 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 3X display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440. It'll support a 165Hz adaptive refresh rate, peak brightness of 3000 nits, and feature Vision Booster 2.0 to keep things clear even in bright sunlight. In terms of connectivity, the S26 Ultra will support Wi-Fi 7, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and UWB. You'll also get stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, AI-powered noise reduction during calls, upgraded Samsung DeX, and the latest Knox 3.0 for enhanced security. Now, let's talk price. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to start at around $1,399, with the highest spec models going up to $1,799. Pre-orders will likely go live soon, and as usual, Samsung might offer some solid trade-in deals and bundle offers. So, what's your take on everything coming to the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Are you looking forward to the return of variable aperture? And is the S Pen still a big deal for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest tech updates. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a thing. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.